If you want to change icons on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you can, for example, go to Settings. Then over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down and we want to go to Themes. You will open the Galaxy Themes app where we can switch to icons here at the bottom, and then you can go through this list and you can try to find any icons, any icon theme that you might want to use. And at the bottom, you might be able to find free content, or you can go to the top option here at the top and you can switch from all to free. And then, as you can see, we have many different themes and they are free. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one here, and if you like the theme, you can tap on a download and then apply once it is downloaded. And you should have new icons for yourself on your Galaxy Z Flip 8. There we go. And what is also possible is, of course, you can create your own theme pack for your icons, but in order to do so, it requires you to download two things. The first one is the Good Lock app, and then inside of the Good Lock app, you want to download additional plugin, I guess. So if you go to the Galaxy Store, we can use the search option here at the top, and then we can search for Good Lock. There we go. And this is the app that we are looking for. You want to open it once you, of course, download it. And then you will see the list of these plugins, and you want to use the Theme Park plugin. Now, in my case, I already have it, but you want to tap on the arrow that you will have on the right side in order to download the theme pack, and then once it is downloaded, you want to, of course, open it. Now, over here, once you open the theme park, you should be able to switch to icon, then you can tap on Create New, and then you should be able to create your own icon theme. You can choose the shape, you can use one of these effects. So let's say I'm gonna choose the glass option over here, and then we can also choose the icon. So let's say we can switch to the monochrome, and you can just pick any color that you would actually like to use if you prefer it that way. And once you are done, you can of course save it. You can set up the name for your pack, press OK, and then you can of course tap on that pack that you have created and apply it on your phone, and then press OK in order to confirm. There is a chance that it won't change immediately, like in my case, so we're gonna go back to the app and we will apply one more time. There we go, and now we have our custom theme for icons. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.